In front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by opening Devices settings and tapping on Sound. Now scroll down, click on Vibrate Full Calls and apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back. Now you can click on this switcher next to Answer Vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback when call is connected. And last but not least, click on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and touch Vibration to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!